It's a certified 2014 Mercedes-Benz GL Class. This is everything you need an SUV to be and every reason why you buy a Mercedes-Benz. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: streaming audio, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, automated parking sensors, doors and push button start proximity key, front heated bucket seats, turbo V8 engine, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, height adjustable automatic with driver control suspension, and automatic transmission. New car test drive notes: the GL Class is stuffed with all bits of digital magic, and many of the systems are standard equipment, including the air ride suspension that smooths out all but the most rugged travel. Mercedes-Benz, an elevation of innovation. Experience it for yourself today.
At RBM of Atlanta in Sandy Springs, we have the best selection of new and top quality pre-owned vehicles to choose from. We are conveniently located at 7640 Roswell Road in Atlanta.